What happened?
I know, tell me about it.
It's new.
Brand stinking new.
You don't even got plates on it yet.
3 weeks ago.
Oh, man.
I know. The damage on
Yeah, man. You know, that's bad.
so bad. Even my mirror.
They even got your mirror. Yeah, I see that.
Oh well, it's just a car. At least I wasn't in there.
I take it happened here. Did the person stop at least?
Well, I didn't see it happen.
So they didn't leave a note or nothing. It was just hit and run.
There was a hit and run, yes. They got the girl's license plate number, but we still don't know if she has insurance. So,
Man.
this happened last Sunday.
Okay.
But I originally, because when I pulled up to my car, I was like, did I really park that back? Because my car was like this when I pulled up to it.
Okay.
So she hit it so hard that it like bounced off the sidewalk because my rims on the other side are messed up too. We're trying to get all this, because I just got my police report yesterday. So I've been waiting for that too.
It's actually a thing though. We pick up a lot of cars, same stuff.
Yeah.
Yep. When I saw the call, I was like, oh, it's probably a jump start. Most of the time we get calls for new cars. They're jump starts, the battery. No. No.
I wish that was the case.
Right. That sucks.
Yeah.
I'd be mad.
Yeah.
I'd be really mad about that.
I know, and that was the week. I had such a bad week that week too, and this was like the cherry on top.
It's just one of them terrible 3 weeks, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's crazy. All right.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
No problem. I'll get it hooked up. I'll be out of here in like 10 minutes or so.
Okay. Well,
All right.
safe.
Will do. You too. All right. Give you all a backstory. So she parked her car out here on 6th Avenue in Fillmore. She parked her car out here 2 weeks ago. It's brand new, just got it. No plates on it yet. She just got the clear coat on here, which is why the tape is on there, because they just got finished doing the clear coating on it. And yeah, she parked it out here. She's a student and lives around this area. And came home one night, parked her car, came back out the next morning, and bam. Yeah, it's terrible. It ain't even got plates on it. It still got the paper plate on it. I'd be mad. I mean, I tell you, I'd be mad as hell. So anyway, we're gonna get this thing hooked up. We're gonna run it to the body shop in Glendale. I believe this thing is total from the damage that's on there. You guys tell me in the comments what you think, if you think the damn thing is total. Now, when the person that hit her car hit her, they technically didn't stop. They did not stop. The only reason why she's being held accountable for it right now is because somebody witnessed it, got the license plate number, and gave it to the girl who owns this car. But again, you guys tell me in the comments if you think this is repairable. Yo, while we over here talking about brand new, right? We're talking about cars here that have paper tags that are new, right? That don't even have plates on them, that are destroyed. I'm looking at this Beamer right here on the driver's side. It looks good, right? It's got that Cali paper tag, everything on it. So you get over here to the passenger side. What the fuck? Lord have mercy, what are they doing to these cars? How are they wrecking them so damn bad? Won't be surprised if that's the next one I'm gonna be coming out to get. Anyway, let me finish loading this thing so I can get it where it needs to be. Appreciate y'all watching. Subscribe, like, share. If you got any comments, questions, concerns, anything, drop them down there. You know where they go. Until then, I'll catch y'all on the next one.